Hello, all. A warm welcome to About Diaries. Today, I want to share with you some products which are much needed to fix small issues at home. I am completely satisfied with all these products, so I thought of sharing these useful products with you too. The first item is this door stopper. This is a set of four. It's a lightweight and quite affordable but very useful item. It has these grooves that hold the door in place and prevent the door from being shut. Here you can see this door is not stopping. It's very annoying when you close the door but it doesn't. Also, it's very unsafe for kids. So I have used this door stopper to keep it secure in one place. You can easily drag or move it aside with your foot without even bending. So, this door stopper helps to keep the door open, and hence we can keep an eye on kids when they are playing inside the room. This is another type of door stopper with soft foam cushions that is designed specifically for small babies and pet protection. When we accidentally close the door with a little force, the edge of it can hurt the baby's fingers and hands. So, to safeguard little fingers and prevent any accidents, simply place it on the edge of the door. So basically, this cushioned door stopper provides a gentle gap between the door and the frame and hence prevents them from any finger pinch injuries.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea.
These are the tiny self-adhesive bumper pads that come in different sizes. I have the tiny ones.
Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you.
We can use these clear cushion type pads on any glass, ceramic or metal surfaces to reduce the noise from slamming and protect them from damage. Here I am applying them under this tray to give a little height or gap between the surface and this tray. This will also help prevent it from breaking and avoid the noise that occurs when placing it on a surface. These self-adhesive pads can also be placed on any door or any cabinet for buffering effect to reduce the noise caused by banging and closing.
Till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever.
If you want to perfectly organize your cables or wires, then this Velcro strap roll is for you. It is reusable and can easily tie up all the messy wires and cables.
If I'm gonna love somebody,
Look at this long wire charger.
if I'm gonna love,
So I am going to wrap it by using this Velcro strap. If you have this roll handy at your home, you can cut it into different lengths as per the needs.
love somebody, I just wanna love you.
We can make our space, especially the TV area and computer table, tidy by wrapping this strap on the wires to hold them securely. It will keep you away from a mess of cables and wires and provide you with a tidy living.
Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there.
These felt pads with self-stick adhesive protect any surface like wall, tile or floor from scratches and marks. They can easily stick to any item as they are self-adhesive pads. These two dining chairs are leaving marks on this wall as they are near to it. So I have cut it into the desired size and now using them here on the edge of these chairs. Now I won't be bothered by any marks on the wall after applying them. This set has some rubber self-stick pads also. The rubber pads can be used under the legs of these chairs to reduce the friction and noise while dragging them.
There was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the
Another very interesting removable and reusable adhesive item is this Patafix adhesive pad. It can be used on any walls, glass, metals, doors, refrigerators, plastics, etc.
restoring everything within. Oh.
These pads are mostly used to stick small items like papers, drawings, posters, cards, photos, etc. Place this glue pad on any item and press it firmly to the desired surface. If you want an easy alternative of sellotapes or pins, then try using these reusable and easily removable glue pads, which don't leave any marks either.
Reaching for the ground. 'Cause we're lost alive.
It can be used under the shelf liners to fix them properly. I found all these items quite useful for my home. You can also try using them if you are looking for such products. I'm sure you will also like them.
As we go, I wouldn't want it any other way. No. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond road. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
And it's time for tea. I am feeling a little hungry, so I am making butter bread with tea. This is a quick and easy snack idea if you have bread available in your kitchen. With that, it's a wrap. I shall see you in my next video. Please like this video and subscribe to About Diaries. Bye.
It's romantic.